Okay, so that says we're live. Fingers crossed. Truth be told, I haven't done this from home in a while. You can tell by how I don't have a handle on my lighting or my audio or where my camera is. Hopefully, this is working, that you guys are getting my feed, my video and my audio, so on and so forth. But I'm in my home office. This morning is kindergarten graduation across the street there at our elementary school, and our youngest will be a kindergarten graduate here in mere hours. I can't remember the bit from The Incredibles about, they're moving from the fourth grade to the fifth grade. It's a ceremony, she says. It's psychotic, he says, or something to that effect. And he could be right, Mr. Incredible. He's a smart one. In any case, good morning, everyone. We are here with I Digress, a live video subsequent to our blog post going out this time around. And I'm not real keen on the content because I just don't know. It's just not in my wheelhouse. So this is something you guys would have to research further on your own if you're considering selling your home. And obviously that's right off the bat because the mortgage lender, I deal with owners and buyers, not sellers. So talk to your real estate agent about this if you think I'm off my nut on the content. But this, it's not monthly, it's not weekly. This bi-monthly blog or bi-weekly blog is 5 reasons why you should get a pre-listing inspection. So you'll find any hidden problems. It'll help you set the right price. It'll help you avoid inspection negotiations. That's obviously a big one. It will result in a smoother real estate transaction. Help assure the buyer's decision and their confidence. I'm not sure that that's all that important right now either, because the buyer just, well, it's tough to be the buyer. If you're on the sell side, then good for you, assuming you don't have to find another house in the same crazy market where you're selling yours. But nonetheless, if you want to read more about the reasons to get a pre-listing inspection, you can check out our blog post. Our website's on the left side of your screen. Everything's backwards on the camera here. And you can always use our text code at the bottom, text core to 63566. But yeah, when it comes to content like this, absolutely ask your real estate agent, because it's just not our wheelhouse. Sounds like good advice, but I'm going to be straight, I'm not really sure. Other than that, hope you guys have an amazing day. Going to be a beautiful one here in Denver. Just the perfect mid-70s, super dry, high desert spring day. And other than that, if you guys need anything, let us know. And we'll talk to you later.